was able to play around with it and customize a couple of things. Cut the front, have the space for the radiator to come out. This is how it looks like. This is what I was able to do. The V8 engine, it looks cool. The next thing that I was able to do was to add the plate, add a couple of decal. I'm not sure about the Japanese flag, but I just thought it was cool to put it JDM, it slip, all that, the gut of it. I was able to put the sound speaker, change the receiver, put the cooling fan engine, then inside here the smoke machine. So when I switch on the whole truck, the smoke machine removes the smoke as the car moves, which is sort of automated in a way that it can move together. The speaker removes the sound and the cooling fan activates. I can show you that. I can come like this. So I have the battery. We're going to connect it and then we see how it runs. Switch on the truck. Oh, do you see that? It almost moved. Let's put this here. That was what I was able to do. These ones were not real, so I had to drill through the pipe and add the pipe, as you can see, and it runs into the tank, and into the tank it runs all the way in. I have not activated it. That was what I was able to do. I'm still so I'll switch this off. So I'm still to add a couple of things. I was thinking maybe first to drive it around, see how it goes, and then once I've driven it around I can be able to change the engine, and then once I can be able to change the engine. This is the engine, it runs on fuel. If I'm able in the future to gut everything out of this, then I can be able to put this in. It's a V8 engine. Technically I really love this Atlas 4x4, so I'm thinking that this particular one, just to leave it the way I built it, because you can see it's clean. I haven't even driven it, to have it as a prized possession, a dust collector. Then once I've done the dust collecting, then I can be able to get another one like this and put in this engine and test it out and see how it goes.